Misty here. I'm a design team member for StampAnything.com. Welcome to our December release preview, day number 2. So, the Golden Girls. Iconic, right? Iconic. I love the Golden Girls. It was such a good show that tackled issues in a kind of progressive kind of way, featuring a cast of ladies who, you know, were older, who didn't fit the norm of the day. And it was just so good, so funny, just so relatable, and I loved it. And fun fact, I actually grew up in the same, Rue McClanahan, who played Blanche, and I share a hometown, so that's pretty cool. So yesterday we had Rose, and today we have Dorothy. So let's head over to the craft table and I'll share with you this new stamp. These all go live tomorrow on the Stamp Anything website, along with tomorrow's chibi. You can probably guess who it is. And then we have a special 4th stamp, because we could not. That's a digi, and I will share that with you as well. So anyway, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and leave us a comment letting us know what you think of this month's release. And yeah, let's head over to the craft table and I'm going to share with you a Maison Dorothy. Alright friends, it's day 2 and day 2 is Miss Dorothy. So this is Dorothy, hope your day is golden. So her sentiment is, I hope your day is golden. And then here she is, she has her nice little blouse. She's got a little bit of texture or a scarf, etc. right there. Her hair is so much fun. I love that she has on blouse and pants, because that's basically what she wore during the show. So she is really fun, and again, the design team has knocked it out of the park. Let me tell you, it's kind of hard to follow up. It's kind of hard to follow them, but don't forget, the next 3 Fridays we will do Fanny Friday, where I will be sharing with you my own projects using these items, and we may incorporate a couple of other things from the last month's release. So yeah, don't forget that you can find the Facebook group in the description box down below. You can find a link to the shop in the description box down below. These supplies will go live tomorrow on Friday. Join Stamp Club. All of the things, all the information that you could ever want is in the description box down below. We hope you'll subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. We are inching closer to 600 subs, and it would be really cool to hit that by the end of December. So with your help, hopefully we can get there. So thanks friends. We will see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye for now.